video. Today we're talking about Mullen stock now. Some very interesting news came out of Mullen Automotive. You guys see here 60 cents at the time of this video. It's up around 1.4%. Definitely one of the more heavily traded stocks in the market today. In fact, it's actually, let me refresh this to see where it's moved. But it's currently the fourth most heavily traded stock on the market today, which is kind of generally what we've been continuing to see here from Mullen. But yeah, let's just get into this, you guys. There was some news, big news announced today, um, just involving Mullen stock here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. But so David Mickery early this morning, early, he says Mullen today will be strikingly different. Right? He puts out this tweet. A lot of people reacting to it. Honestly, a lot of positivity, I think, which is a good sign if you're, bullish on Mullen or holding Mullen. Just to have that positivity, I guess you could say, because there has been a lot of negative connotation um, with Mullen stock, right, from like the last month and a half or so. So he puts this tweet out here, and then this comes out. So Mullen, let me X out of this. Mullen, let me see here. Mullen Automotive sues broker dealers over stock manipulation. So Mullen Automotive today announced on Tuesday that it filed a federal lawsuit in the Southern District of New York against TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, National Finance Services, and others, alleging that the broker-dealers engaged in some scheme to manipulate the company's share price. The lawsuit seeks compensatory damages and injunctive relief from defendants arising from their alleged unlawful conduct in violating SEC rules. CEO David Mickery said the automaker is extremely frustrated by the performance of the stock and has long suspected illegal short-selling activities. He says the company has a zero-tolerance approach when it comes to manipulative trading practices. He's quoted as saying, "We believe the company and its shareholders have been significantly harmed by certain traders and their brokers and market makers, such as the names and the defendants in the lawsuit. They have facilitated this unlawful conduct. Rest assured, we will use all legal measures at our disposal to stop illegal trading activities and protect the company and its shareholders." So this is obviously some pretty crazy news. I know that when David Mickery put out that shareholder letter, he announced that something was going to happen soon, or some news was going to be announced soon about what this issue specifically that he thinks is affecting Mullen. Right. So here's the official PR from Mullen website. Legal action alleges stock manipulation and unlawful trading practices. David Mickery stating Mullen is one of the largest traded stocks on the Nasdaq and has the precipitous decline in value despite announcements highlighting of many company successes. I've been extremely frustrated by the performance of our stock and long suspected illegal short selling activities. This is why we engaged Share Intel and the law firms of Christian Attar and Warshaw Bernstein to investigate this matter further to protect the company and its loyal shareholder base. I'm hopeful that this lawsuit sends a clear and unequivocal message to anyone considering any form of illegal trading of Mullen stock. Our company has a zero tolerance approach when it comes to manipulative trading practices. We believe the company and the shareholders have been significantly harmed by the certain traders and their brokers and market makers, etc., etc. And then senior partner at Christian Attar, confident in my law firm and my co-counsel Alan Pollock from Warshaw Bernstein, together with our team of experts in analysis, are committed to representing companies like Mullen, who are targets of dishonest broker-dealers who employ schemes and devices to manipulate the share price of your company's securities. So this is obviously big news here for Mullen today. I think it is being positively reacted in the space. Obviously, like if you watched any video on my channel about HCMC, this is kind of familiar with a legal case with a potential, I guess, monetary settlement could potentially happen, or who knows where this case could actually end up going. But this is very interesting here, in my opinion, for Mullen to announce this today. Pretty interesting that David Mickery puts out that tweet today, but strikingly different. I think to a degree, if you are holding Mullen and you're interested in Mullen, or if you're bullish on Mullen, you have to appreciate this to a degree, just for the CEO to be standing up for the company, etc., etc. So definitely interesting here what's going on with Mullen. Obviously they really have, like, I mean, if you take a look at the timeline, there's this Investor Place article here. 1 week to achieve Nasdaq compliance. So Mullen must close above $1 for 10 consecutive business days before September 5th. However, including today, there are only 6 business days left until September 5th. Mullen stock has fallen lower by 99% so far this year. So if compliance cannot be demonstrated by September 5th, 2023, staff will provide a written notification that the company's securities will be delisted. At that time, the company may appeal staff's determination to a hearings panel, said the Nasdaq way back in March. So Obviously, a lot of things like I talked about in yesterday's video are going to happen this week with Mullen. I think this is just the first kind of domino to happen this week with Mullen. Obviously, this is huge in my opinion. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about it. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.